Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter or how to clean it on a Honda Civic. This one is 2008 model, but it's the same for 8th generation, 2006 until 2011. So you need to go to the passenger side, open the glove box right there, and now press on both sides in. You see this thing is restricting the glove box from going down. It's on each side, so you need to press it in, and that's where the cabin air filter is located, right there. So there is two clips, you push in both of them and you pull it out. And this one has 120,000 miles, and as you can see, nobody cleaned that thing ever. So you pull it out of the tray. You need to definitely replace it if it looks like that. The air quality in your cabin will be bad, but you can see what comes out of it. It's just ridiculous. Nobody ever thinks about replacing them, and they complain about allergies and stuff. So you just need to replace it or clean it really good until you get a new one and put it back together the same way we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching us. Please subscribe and give us a like if you want to see more videos and the video was helpful to you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.